Hello and welcome. Now in this video we want to explore the drawing tool, and so you're looking at your recording toolbar for Camtasia 9, and we're going to just start by clicking the record button. Remember, we get this message because we're actually using two instances of Camtasia. You will not see this warning message. When we click OK, the countdown will begin. Okay, we have Camtasia set to minimize to the toolbar, so we're going to bring this up. And what you're going to notice is that the effects menu comes up. And we've already seen where we can add a marker, but the part that we're going to look at right now is the screen drawing. And of course, if you're using multiple screens, this toolbar would be off to the side, so this would not be showing to your viewer. But this is a fairly useful tool, and what you'll notice is that when you click the screen draw button, the rest of the effects come available. Now what we can do is we can actually choose to use the pen, which we have, and let's see what the pen actually does. One of the things that it does is it draws. Right? And so this probably works extremely well if you have a tablet, but it works very well even if you don't. And you are able to draw lines on your presentation, which again lends to more of the credibility. Now, you don't have, with a mouse, it would be very difficult for you to write like this, but you can draw, and you can draw circles. And of course, we're able to do that in the editing process also. We can also explore where we can change the color, right? So we can change it to blue. We can also change the width, so we can make the lines fairly thick. So once again, I mean, you see that we can use each of these effects and we can actually close this effect and do away with it. Now, the way that you would actually cause the writing to go away. So for example, if we were to draw a line around this circle, all we would need to do is to hit the escape key. And then the toolbar closes and the writing goes away. So once again, we decide on the pen we're going to use, the width, and then when we're tired of writing or we don't want to have it appear on the screen, we can click OK. And actually then we go back to being able to use our mouse. So once again, this drawing feature is a useful tool when you have information on a PowerPoint and sometimes it's less dynamic than you'd like it to be. Well, this is one way of being able to keep your viewers' attention without having to do things with the animation or make your PowerPoint inconsistent. You keep your PowerPoint consistent, and then you use points of emphasis using tools like the Screen Draw program. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.